In this video, I will guide you on how to enable always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And if the always on display feature is not working properly on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, such that it only works when you tap on the screen, I will also show you how to fix that in this video. So by default, when you get your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, the always on display feature is enabled, but it only works when you tap on the screen, and that is not true always on display. And the way you actually turn on or enable the always on display is to go over to the settings of your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, scroll all the way down to the lock screen and AOD option, and then over here you should see the always on display. Now tap on the always on display text over here and then make sure it is turned on from the top. Basically at this point it is enabled. But then if you scroll down a little bit, there is also the option for you to customize how to use it. So you can tap on the when to show option over here, and you can see currently it is set to tap to show. But if you want it to work properly, you want to go ahead and set it to always. And at this point, if you lock your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, it should automatically enable the always on display feature. You can as well go ahead and customize other things from the always on display settings. So you can come out of here and choose whether you want to show the now bar or not. And that is basically how to turn on or enable always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Please let me know if this was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.